Today we're going to review the installation procedure for Raptor shallow water anchored jack plate adapter brackets. All the hardware you'll need for installation will be included in your jack plate adapter bracket packaging, but you will need two 3/4 inch wrenches or ratchets, as well as a torque wrench to torque all bolts to Minn Kota's recommended specifications. Although Raptor has been designed to mount directly to the transom of a boat, Raptor jack plate adapter brackets are great for irregularly shaped transoms, like most bass boats are today. Raptor jack plate adapter brackets are compatible with a multitude of jack plate brands and are specifically designed for Raptor. For more details on adapter bracket compatibility, please go to www.minnkotamotors.com for more details. Raptor jack plate adapter brackets come in both port and starboard configurations and offer either a 4-inch or a 6-inch vertical rise, built right into the bracket. For this installation, we're going to be using a starboard 4-inch jack plate bracket, and we're going to install it onto our Atlas jack plate. Because the Raptor adapter brackets are a single-piece construction, installation is very simple. On most jack plates, the holes are pre-drilled to accept mounting brackets. If you do have to drill holes to mount an adapter bracket on your jack plate, be sure to consult your manufacturer before doing so. Apply a small amount of anti-seize that came with your hardware kit onto the threads of the bolt. This will prevent the nut from seizing when tightening the hardware. Once your mounting holes have been established, insert one of the 1/2-inch stainless steel bolts and washers through the hole of the mounting bracket flange and through the corresponding hole towards the bottom of the jack plate. Next, place one of the 1/2-inch heavy-duty washers and a nylock nut inside the jack plate frame on the bottom bolt and turn the nut until it's finger tight. Now, insert a second 1/2-inch bolt and washer through the slot in the upper portion of the bracket mounting flange and through the upper hole in the jack plate. Don't forget to apply the anti-seize to the threads of the bolt. Then place another 1/2-inch washer and nylock nut on the inside of the jack plate frame on the top bolt and turn the nut until it's finger tight. Using a 3/4 inch socket and wrench, tighten the hardware to secure the bracket into position. Minn Kota recommends using a torque wrench to tighten this hardware to a minimum of 50 foot-pounds. If you're installing a dual Raptor system, repeat this procedure for the other side. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.